Hello friends, welcome to my channel Raji CS Revision and Notes. Now we'll solve the next problem in TOC. Consider the following languages: L1 equal to a to the power of n plus m, bn and am, where nm greater than or equal to 0. L2 is a to the power of n plus m, b to the power of n plus m and a to the power of n plus m, where nm greater than or equal to 0. Which one of the following is correct? So they are asking the whether L1 or L2 is context-free language. Let us see how to solve this problem. So here when you take L1, so L1 has a to the power of n plus m, b to the power of n and a power m. Now you substitute the values n equal to 0, m equal to 0, then you'll get only epsilon. Now if we substitute the value n equal to 1 and m equal to 1, you get the value that is a2, b1 and a1. Suppose you substitute the value n equal to 3, m equal to 1, means you get the value of a3, b2 and a1. Again, if you try to substitute n is equal to 1 and m equal to 2, you get a to the power of 3, b1 and a2. So if you see in a context-free grammar, we use the stack. So and use only one temporary memory, that is a stack, and here you have the input string. So if you take this string, that is a to b and a, here the sum of this value n plus m is distributed in this b and a values. So we'll try to see if it is possible using a stack, whether this string can be identified. So here if you put in the stack the first two, that is a to the power of 2, that means both are on the stack. Next the input string is b and a. So now we will check whether the n plus m and this n value n and a value m are equal. So first this you put the two values in the stack. Now when the input string b comes, you have to pop one a. Next the value a comes, means you pop another a. So stack will be empty and the string will be accepted. So you see that this language is an CFG. Similarly, try some other string also. See if you take a cube and b2 and a1. Here too you can put the first a in the stack and compare the values with the corresponding input values of b and a. So first you have b you have any number of b's. So whatever number of b's, you have to pop the a's. So first a you pop when you get a b, next a you pop when you get another b, next finally you have a. After b is popped, a's value is there. So a only one will be there. So a you pop this one and you can take this value. Hence you see that it can be, this string can be identified using this stack and the input. So you can say that it's a context-free grammar. So let us see the second language. Here second language, so here you have a to the power of n plus m, b to the power of n plus m and a to the power of n plus m. So here when you put n is equal to 1 and m equal to 0, you have the value a1, b1, a1. Next even if you put n equal to 1, m equal to 1 and n equal to 1, the same values only will be there, that is a1, b1 and a1. See, when you have these values, when you put it in the stack, the a value, only one value you can put, and b and a value you can't identify. Similarly, if you take another string, if you take n equal to 1 and m equal to 1, so you get all the three values are the same, a2, b2 and a2, but there's no way of comparing this a and b. Okay, because if you put a first two values in the stack, next to b two values can pop, but there's no way to check whether this value of a is 2. Okay, because you pop this out and you can strike this in b, but then you have the a's, so a you can't check. Hence you find that here it is not possible to identify this language with this only stack and this input string. Hence we can say that this is not a CFG. Our channel is solving problems in computer science for UGC NET and other competitive exams. Thank you.